Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a subscribe button on short video. First of all, open up the YouTube app. After getting into YouTube, click on Create icon from the bottom bar. Tap to create a short from here. You can upload a clip and make a short of it. Or you can tap to record a short video. Well, upload a video, then crop the video and tap on Done. Then click on Text to add a text on video. Type in subscribe and choose red to make it look like a subscribe button. Then tap on Next to upload the short on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe and share.